Hello guys! This is your Tita Cliffy, and this time I'll be sharing to you my first vlog, no? And I'll be showing to you my Thailand haul. So let's start. So first we went to the House of Little Bunny. No, this is kind of famous nowadays, no? House of Little Bunny. So I bought a bag. No, this is what it looks like. It's very nice, very spacious, no? And very elegant. You can use this if you have parties, no? Parang ganyan. And then meron din siyang parang pwede siyang i-crossbody bag. No, you can also use this na pang biyahe. No, I saw this one I think I saw this one in TikTok, no? So I bought one. And also, I have my pangharabas bag that I also bought in House of Little Bunny. See? Actually, I tried the pasabay pero hindi pa ako masyadong immersed sa pasabay. So, parang wala pa masyado akong alam ang pasabay. So, ito yung pangharabas na bag that I bought. No, very small. Para siyang Longchamp. But this one, hindi lang siya ma-fold, but this is very small, and then you can use this every day. And then, I also bought a pajama because I'm very fond of sleepwear ng mga pajama. Kahit nasa bahay ako naka-pajama. So, I bought this one in Platinum Mall, no, together with this. So, it's a pajama, sleepwear. This cost only around mga 300 to 400 pesos. No, the cloth is very nice. And then the print, no, marami pa doon na magaganda yung print, no. And other pajama na wear ko na, kaya hindi ko na mapakita dito. And then what else did I buy? The famous singhot, this one. I also bought this one. Yung iba na pamigay ko na. And then, also bought this one, no? At around 130 baht ata ito. But there are also stores near or sa labas ng Platinum Mall na mas mura. Around, I think, 100 baht lang. You can also buy. Ito pala, I think 12 na ganito cost around 400 baht. This one. Pang headache. And another one, I bought this one in Big C. This one, the prickly heat. This is the prickly heat. When you spray it all over your body, you feel yung coldness and freshness. So, you can also buy this one sa Big C, no? Pagpunta nyo sa Big C. And then, sa Big C naman, ano pang nabili ko doon? Oh, this one, parang kamilusan sa atin, no? Pang cough. So, kasi when I went there, I had a cough. So, I tried to buy this one. I tried already and okay naman. And then, I haven't tried this but I wanted to try their beauty soap. This is called Bennett Whitening Soap. So, I'll try this one and I'll let you know kung effective siya. Another thing is this one, the Herbal Clove Toothpaste. So, parang ano siya, freshen your breath, healthy gums. So, I will try this one. Na-curious lang ako kasi ito yung packaging niya na toothpaste. Diba? Bago siya. Tapos, meron siyang parang a little spoon, no, that you can use. So, na-curious lang ako paano siya gamitin. Diba? Kakaiba. Kakaibang toothpaste. And then, I also bought this one sa Pratunam naman. So, maraming ganito yung bibili ko. I gave it to my kid. And then, this one also. Mga anik-anik sa bag. So, I bought this one. I think this cost 100 baht. This one. For this one. And, this one also cost 100 baht. And this one naman, I bought this in Kinokuniya. It cost around 49 baht. So, yan. Tapos, what else did I buy? This one, Himalaya Salt. Himalaya Salt Cool Fresh Candy. So, matagal na akong naghahanap ng Himalaya Salt Candy because this is very effective if you have sore throat. No, I bought this one in Thailand. Nakita ko siya sa Thailand, so I bought 4 packs of Himalaya candy. And then, I'm curious about this one, yung collagen gummy. So, I tried this one. Nakaka-fresh siya, in fairness, no? Nakaka-fresh ang collagen. So, I tried this one. 2 packs of this one na ubos ko. And then, parang maganda naman yung effect. You look fresh. And what else did I buy? So, when we went to Muji, I bought this one. This one is parang lalagyan ng earbuds, no? Para pag hindi ko na siya hanapin yung earbuds ko, lagay ko lang siya dito. So, easy lang siya na itie ko sa bag ko and then I can easily find it. So, I also bought calling card holder sa Muji kasi kailangan ko siya sa work ko. So, frequently, nagdadala ko ng calling cards. So, to keep it organized, I put it here sa aking calling card holder. So, this is very nice. You open it like this. Paano ba siya i-open? I-open natin para. Oh, eto. Ilagay mo yung calling card mo dito sa loob. O, diba? Lagay mo yung calling card dito. And then, ayan. I-dispense siya dito. So, open mo. Ito. Dito. Lagay mo yung calling card. And then, you open it here kung kukuha ka na ng calling card. So, this one. It's very nice. And this one naman is a wire organizer from Muji. I bought 3. Kasi maganda talaga siya. And nakaka-clean ng organizer. So, wire organizer from Muji. So, cable case. Parang they call it cable case. So, I found one in Japan. So, nakita ko sa Japan, I bought 5. So, ngayon, when I went to Muji naman, I bought 3. And then, I also bought a pen case, no? Kasi kailangan ko din sa work ko kasi yung pen ko nakakalat lang sa bag ko. So, andito na siya. And then, I also bought a parang envelope for my cash pag mag-travel. So, na-learn ko kasi na i-separate ko yung cash na pwede kong i-spend. Yung mga small bills, i-separate ko, ilagay ko siya dito. So, mas dainty and mas organized, ilagay ko siya dito. So, I bought this one in Muji. So, I bought 3 para pag magbiyahe, pwede ko siyang lagyan ng passport, pwedeng lagyan ng aking cash pag magbiyahe. Next one is this one. But I already used this one, the diptyque. So I bought this in duty free. No? Favorite perfume. So this is You Rose. Tama ba ako? So this is Diptyque Paris Eau de Toilette. Ito yung kanyang ano. So nagamit ko na siya. Include ko lang siya sa haul kasi these are my favorite stuff na nakuha ko. What else? So I also have Jo Malone. So i-unbox ko na lang yung first ever Jo Malone ko. So let's unbox it. Kasi na-proud talaga ako kasi this is my dream perfume, no? Since 4 years ago. Kaya lang hindi ko siya ma-afford. And then, when we went to Vietnam, dumaan kami sa duty free. And then, I think dito it cost around 9,000 for this bottle. So, the scent is blackberry and bay. So, this is my favorite 6,000. So, na-afford siya ni Tita Katie. O, diba? So, it's very fresh. I'm not very good at scent. This one is really so fresh. Fresh lang talaga siya. And, kanino ko ba to siya? Na-curious ako because I saw the vlog of Miss Jessie Mendiola na ito din yung ginagamit ng husband niya and siya. O, diba? Ginagamit siya ni Lucky. Tapos, na-curious ako at bumili ako ng maliit. O, diba? Ngayon, bumili na ako ng malaki. O. So, ito lang ang aking mga Thailand haul. Ito yung nabili ko sa Thailand. And I hope you're going to support my channel. This is my first vlog ever. So like and subscribe. Follow for more. Thank you. Bye.